Good day, global crypto enthusiasts. This is 88 Fantastic coming to you Tuesday, July 16th, 2019. Who's left standing? Are you still there? Is there anybody in the crypto world still left? Anyways, always coming on, trying to stay positive as we see, as we've been talking about the absolutely disgusting month of that July brings and has brought for the last pretty much 3 years consecutively. Bitcoin literally had just dumped about $400 here in the last hour or so as Bitcoin has been fighting between, say, 99.50 and about that 10,200 mark, back and forth, back and forth. Just a couple of hours ago, we dumped heavily. And again, what we've been looking at here is there's a very good possibility that the breaking point right now for Bitcoin itself is probably sitting at around that $8,500 mark. Personally, I was hoping that would hurry up and get there because that's the next really big bounce mark. That's the projected ending is between 8,500 and 8,800, somewhere in that range for the final end of what's really been a long wave two, which has been probably a couple of weeks now. Let's have a look here. Well, between 14 and 30 days, so probably in that 21, 22 day range. We're still waiting for wave two to end here. So again, with our forecast here, we were expecting some big money to come in, and I still think Bitcoin's going to get right back up there to 14.8, but not like we said in our last video. We don't expect that to happen probably until around the 24th or 25th. But it would be nice if these guys would hurry up and get that price, because that's what they're trying to do is bounce that price down, and then they're going to reload, and then they're going to make a really nice solid push. But again, as we said in our forecast, that push will be really fast, maybe 4 to 5 days at the most. And then what we're seeing right now, right here with all this red, this is probably what we're going to see really after this wave is done. We're going to get that nice 4 to 5 day push, but then this is what we're going to see right after that again, and we're going to see that probably for another 4 to 5 weeks, as we were forecasting. And then hopefully when we get somewhere into after the first week of August into the middle of August, we'll start gaining a little more traction. And the reason for that, again, as we've talked about forever on this channel, is this year is a repeat of last year. From April of 2018 until where we are right now, this is exactly what we're seeing. Here's us right here, and it's an exact repeat. And if we back this up a little bit more, it's identical, right? So right now, what we're more than likely going to see, as gross as it is they might tease us a little bit here today or tomorrow, but they're probably going to suppress us all the way back to that 240, 245 range. We are hoping it would sit at 280 to 285, and it busted right through that. We held there for a few times. We bounced, but like I said, a few wallets keep testing it, and they're smashing everything, and they're just reloading profit, reloading Bitcoin back and forth. So we might actually see it scale back to the 240, 245 range, with Bitcoin getting in that 85 to 8,800 range before we see that heavy duty push. But that's what we have in our forecast, so that's what we're still expecting. And now let's just have a quick look here. We've got on this channel, we got Bitcoin at a price of 9,700. What do we got Bitcoin sitting at over here? 96.50. And on Gecko, we got it 96.33, and we got a live price of 96.29. So in the last hour or so, we've even seen the price float back between about 95.50 and barely 9,700. So it's not looking good for today. So we're probably expecting a couple of more days like this before that big push. And that's all we're really waiting for right now, is the bottom of wave 2 of Bitcoin to hurry up, finish dumping basically. Because don't forget, most, like we've been talking about as well, we got about 90% of this market is robot or artificial intelligence trading, and that's what everyone's setting up their machines for. It's the same thing as reading the candles and watching the waves, and sad as it is, it's turning into more of a stock analysis rather than the free and open market that we hope it to be. So ain't got much more. Just wanted to come in there, tell people to hang in. It's still gonna be gross. But if it does bounce to that actual number of 8,500, that's when we're going to start booming back up, because that's what all the charts are telling everybody. I hope it doesn't go that low, because we still need that room for that 4 to 5, maybe 6 days of growth before the market gets speed bagged again. And don't forget, August is probably going to look the last couple of days of July and the first 5-6 days of August are going to be just as ugly as this is what we're seeing right now. So just gotta hang in there. There's not much more. I didn't want to come and talk about the news today. Just wanted to come and show you guys that this is what we were talking about with the sideways down part of July and how ugly it's going to get. But you know what? It's going to get better. It's just going to take a few more days. That's it. They will pump this market up one more time. I fully expect Bitcoin to get back into those 5 digits and really ramp up, get the media attention going again, and then they'll speed bag us for probably another 2 weeks after that again. So anyways, ain't got much more. Just wanted to keep everybody out there, stay positive. No worries. It's just a torch. Just watch. We're near the end of wave 2, and when it's done, then we'll have some fun, but it's probably going to be short-lasted. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys. This is 88 Fantastic, showing you how to take a bite out of the cryptocurrency market. Take care, y'all.